Right. So what we learned in last class, yesterday what we learned, we went for how to create the catalog, and what is that catalog we learned. Now tell me what is catalog, or catalog is also called as what? Web catalog. It is also called as what? BI, BI, presentation, catalog. So whatever name we are calling, all are one and same. All are one and same. If we say web catalog, or if we say catalog, or BA presentation catalog, all are one and same. Now what is that catalog? It is a storage location, right? Okay. It is a set of folders to store to store reports, dashboards. Okay, whatever we are doing, the agents, that is schedules, etc. Everything is going to store in that place. Now we learned one more point. We have here analytics portal. Analytics portal is a web-based component or Windows-based component? Is a web-based or Windows-based component? What it is? It is a web-based component. What is the benefit of web-based component? You need not install anything in your machine. If you know the URL, that's it. You can go and you can access it. If I go and try to see here, my mission is now, what is my mission name? Hi is my mission name. Still, I can go and I can access a system HTTP, then demo.us.oracle 7780 analytics. What is this demo.us.oracle.com? It is a other computer. In that computer, whatever we have OBIEE, that we are trying to access. In a high mission, OBIEE is not installed. It is installed in which mission? demo.us.oracle.com. That is the beauty of web-based components. I can sit blindly in any one laptop. I can sit. If I put my network cable, as long as I am able to communicate with that IP address where the server is installed, I can open the web-based component. Okay, now you are clear about that point. Next point. Analytics portal is under which server control? Oracle BI presentation server. Okay, excellent. Next one. Oracle BI presentation server. Configuration file name. What is the name? Configuration file name? Instance config.xml. Anything if you want to change the catalog, let's say development, we develop beautiful catalog that we want tomorrow deploy into the testing, we have to change the instance config.xml file, we have to change it through interface manager or whatever it is. Now let us go and try to see the next one. What is the Oracle BI presentation server log file? What is the name of the log file? Salog file. So salog, what is the salog 0 or x? It is some x. Salog x. So the x here, it may be 0 to 9 possible values. Here x is what? X is maybe starts with 0 to 9, anything it may be. Maybe starts with 0 to 9, whatever it is available based on the latest timestamp. We have to visit the log file that we understand yesterday. Are you getting my point? Now we learned OBIEE 11G versus OBIEE 12C, right? Okay, with respect to this catalog, we learned OBIEE 11G versus OBIEE 12C. Now tell me, in OBIEE 11G and OBIEE 12C, what are the changes you observed? Tell me, in OBIEE 11G, from where you are trying to deploy it? In OBIEE 11G, in case of OBIEE 11G, from where we are trying to deploy it? What is step 1? We are going to configure in Enterprise Manager. Are we configuring anything in the Enterprise Manager here? Are we configuring anything in the Enterprise Manager here? No, it is not there. Deployment tab itself is not there. Do I need to restart the Oracle BA server? Restart Oracle BA presentation server? Yes. Here, do I require to restart the Oracle BA presentation server? Restart Oracle BA presentation server? No, we don't want to restart here. Now, anything else we learned? Only these are the two things. This is through Enterprise Manager we are operating. That one just directly will go to the backend folder structure and will try to operate it. So this is, instead of no, I can say through what we are doing here, backend folder, we are trying to replace it. Backend folder, we are trying to replace. Right? So whatever catalog you want, that catalog will try to put it over there. This is what the difference is, what we saw yesterday. We saw 11G as well as we saw 12C with respect to this chapter. Right? I hope this is what we learned yesterday. Anything else? Folders. Okay, that's fine. We'll write that also then. Catalog contains how many folders? How many folders? 3 folders. So what are those 3 folders? 3 folders. Those 3 folders are, one is called as shared folder, second is called as my folder, third is called as system folder. These are the 3 types of folders what we have it. If I save any report in my folder, anyone else can access it? Anyone else can access it? No, no one else can access this one. I saved it in my folders, right? If I save in the my folders, that's it, that can be accessed to only me. Answer is what? No. Next one is available. If I save the same report, for example, not in the my folder, let us say in the shared folder, then anyone can access it? Yes, provided if you are not providing any permissions, we can access it. By default is we can access it. Yesterday we tested with the ROM user, we saved in the my folder as well as we saved in the shared folder. With other user, we try to log in and we observe the outputs. Right. Next, now system folder, is it visible in the analytics portal? In analytics portal, can we access system folder? Can we access system folder? Answer is no, we cannot access that one. We cannot access this one. I think this is what we learned in yesterday's class. These are the questions what you can expect in interview point of view or whatever it is. Today we'll try to start with next answer, that is called as working with analysis. Working with analysis. The analysis is nothing but something to do with the development of the reports. Till today, whatever we did, if in our team, let's say two members are available, one is experienced resource, one is less experienced resource, then less experienced resource is going to work with the reporting. More experienced resource is going to work with the RPD. Last 1 week or 10 days classes, whatever we completed, RPD we completed. Now we are going for simplest part, that is called as developing the reports. We are trying to teach it. Right. Develop a report with columns, year column, region column, and dollars column. Place cursor on any column and observe the below properties. These are the properties, whatever we have. Let us go and try to do that one. This is what the analytics portal. We are trying to log in. Let me sign in. Then we are going to the new. This is what called as analysis. In the analysis, whatever we developed subject areas, we are seeing it. Let me go for one of the subject area. And what are the columns you want? Year column. Okay, I am trying to take the year column. Next is what? Region column. Next, dollars column. We are also trying to take here dollars column. Let me save this one. It is our first report. So we are already in the folder. Which folder? B116. Which folder we are there? Under the shared folders. We know already this catalog contains 3 folders: shared folders, my folders, and system folder. System folder cannot be accessed from here. Now I am trying to give the name as here. We are trying to learn actually column properties. We are trying to learn here. So column properties 1. Let us give the name. Now click on here results. We are able to see the result. I am seeing here 1998 in the color of blue color. I want to change the color of red color. Simple change. I want what color? Red color. How I can change it? Go to the criteria. There I am trying to put my cursor on the settings of the year, or on the settings of the region, or on the settings of the dollars. Whatever column you want to modify, that column settings button you have to click. So I am going for column year. There is an option called as what? Column properties. That's what we given the name as column properties we given. So we are learning column properties. In that one, what is my goal? I want to change the style. In the style, I want the color. I want to change it. So font color. Let us go and try to change the color as red color. Then OK. Then OK. Then click on result. We are able to do it or not? Yes, we are able to do it. Let me revert it. And everyone, this is very simple. From Excel onwards, we know what is the meaning of this family of things. Arial means what? These all things we are aware of it. Size. Okay, this regular, bold, italic. These all things we are aware of it. Yes or no? You can explore these all options your own. Now let me revert this color whatever I given. Click on the clear. Click on OK. Now I reverted. Let us click on OK. Now second one is available here. That is called as column properties. Second tab. The second tab is what? Column format. In the column format, what is the column heading we are seeing here? But I want, let's say, calendar year. I want it. Then I can go and I can change here. Select here custom headings. Then we are trying to provide here calendar. Here we are trying to provide it. Now click on here. OK. Let me maintain this as full screen. Control plus F2 only, right? F2 or F11? It's not working. Okay. Okay. Now it started working. Okay, so I'm making here full screen. I'm trying to make it. Okay, previously function button in the laptop is not on. That is what the issue. Okay, now we are seeing here column properties. Then in the column properties, one more option is available. What is this? Contains HTML markup. So that means what? Let us say if I want to write my own HTML tags, I want to customize this one. Let us say this entire title, if I want some color formatting, I can go and I can use this one. For example, I can provide here the color or whatever it is as green color. Click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Then we can see the result. The heading alone we got what? Green color. But what I want is in this title we have two words, right? One is called as calendar, second is called as year. What I want is only calendar word only I want red color. Only calendar word only I want red color. Then what you can do is we can go to the, let us say, red color. It is typing here, it is not typing here. Suppose I want here red color HTML tag. Now let us go and try to see the red color HTML tag. We have some tag is available. Let me take this tag as it is. Okay, as it is a whole language, we can get whatever you wanted to type it, you get that corresponding tags. So let us go and try to put it here. I'm putting here as it is. Then this is some text is available here, right? In place of that one, I am writing what? Calendar, I am writing it. Now this one, whatever we have it, we are removing it. And first is calendar, right? So we are writing here the outside, we are writing here. Then let me select here contains HTML markup. Then if you go and try to see in the bottom, okay. Now click on the result. Now what you're seeing? Only part of the title we are seeing in what color? Red color. So as I said, HTML tags are very old things. So you can go and you can learn even your own. You can learn it. Even once you see this one, you are able to customize this one or not. I don't want the red color. I want, let's say, green color. What I have to do all? I have to change the color. I have to change it. Then we are going to get corresponding color. We are getting it. So even though you are not able to write starting to ending, you know how to customize it. If you observe the code carefully, you will be in a position to customize it. Okay, right. Now that's fine. That's what we are saying as how to change the part of the title formatting. Only one part, only one word we are changing it. Next one, let us go and try to see here. Next options, we are in the column format. We understand this one. Next is available here. What is this? Hide option. What is the meaning of hide? When I am going to use this? For example, let us take here one report. Let us say altogether new report. I am trying to take it. Go to the new analysis, supply sales representative. I am trying to take here one column, year column. Click on the result. Tell me the data is sorted in which order? Ascending order, descending order? Ascending order. Okay, let me take here one more column that is called as month column. Now data is sorted in ascending order or descending order? Ascending order or descending order? It is ascending order, but what way it is ascending order? Alphabet. April, August, like the alphabets came. But what is the actual I am expecting is calendar ascending order I am expecting. That means what? January, February, March, April, May, like that I am expecting it. But I didn't get in that way what I am expecting it. What to do then? What to do then? I am expecting January, February, March, like that I am expecting it. What you can do? What you can do is we have a column. What is this? month in year column I am putting beside the month, left side of the month. Now what you are seeing? What will happen? First this will be sorted. Any conflicts, then this will be sorted. Any conflicts, then this will be sorted. So now it came properly, it came or not? But did I ask the month and year in the report? No. Just I asked month column I want the sorting January, February, March, like that I want it. That's what I asked. What I asked, sir? What is the calendar ascending order? What is the first month? Yeah. January. Okay, good. Now if I go and try to click on this criteria, I want here whatever we have the month code, month in year. Click on here, what is this? Column properties. I am trying to do here one option, what is this? Hide. Click on OK. Click on results. Now are you seeing the still proper data or not? We hide it from display, but still it is available where? In SQL query. If you want, I can go and I can show you here advanced tab. If you see in the advanced tab, still we have that column in the SQL query or not? Still we have in the SQL query it is available. Only it is hidden from where? Display. Still it is available back in the SQL query it is available. That's what we are able to get it. But it is a matter of one report means you can go and you can select that column and you can hide it. But my question is, wherever I take the month column, not only this report, wherever I take this month column, I want always calendar ascending order only I want it. January, February, March, like that only I want it. How I can do it? How I can do it? Okay, now let me save here. We are trying to sort calendar wise. We are trying to sort it. Let us say we saved that one. Now if you want for all the reports, wherever you take the month column, you should not do the change in the report level. Where you have to do? RPD level. If you want to get in a change you required in all the reports, wherever you take it, where you have to do? In RPD level. It's similar to any calculation is available you want in many reports. Where you will do that calculation? In RPD. Let us open the RPD. I am trying to open the RPD. RPD if you want to open means what tool? Administration tool. Then I am trying to open here administration tool. Then we have to go for offline or online? Online. What is the password? Admin123 in this case. Now we are seeing here core. In that one, what column we are trying to work on? Month column. Double click on this month column. General tab. Are you seeing any property which you are going to help you out? Sort order column. Excellent. Sort order column. This month column I want to sort based on what column? Month code column. Yeah, whatever it is. Month code also it is okay. Month in year also it is okay. Month in year I am selecting. Let us say click on okay. That means what? Month column always sorted based on what? Month in year. Month in year. So if you go and try to click on OK, now check in changes, click on S, then try to close it, then save it. Now go to the front end. Now let me remove this column, whatever we have here, month in year column, I am removing it. Now click on the result, we are going to get properly or not? You got properly? Now what is the mistake I did? What is that? Reload server metadata option I didn't use it. You changed the code in the back end, but that has to reflect in the front end means we have to reload server metadata. Now once you reload it, then click on here, refresh the report. Then we are going to see here properly we are seeing it. Now if you see the back end SQL query advanced tab, there you can see what we are seeing here. Sort key of month is sitting in the SQL query. Sort key of month is what? What is the sort key of the month? Just now we configured month in year. Month in year. And this property as you given in the RP level you given, right? That is the reason in this report. Or if you go for some other report you go for it. Some other report you go for it. Let us say this URL I am taking, I am trying to put here. Then I am trying to take here, let us say one column called as month column, I am taking it. Even only month column I am taking also, properly we are getting or not? We are getting properly. Why? Because in the back end we can observe here what is there. So as we did in the RPD, that is applicable for all the reports. That's what I am trying to tell in the notes. So if you see the notes, we learned about what is this style. Next what we went, column format, we learned about headings. In that one, how to apply the font size, colors, those things we learned about it. Then we went for what? Hide the columns. Now it is useful to unnecessary columns. Scenario 1 is what? Customer want to see month column as per calendar sorting order. If requirement is only for one report, simply we are hiding in the report level. If requirement is for all the reports, then we are doing where? In the RPD, we are opening an online mode and we are trying to do that same thing. Same thing. And next is available, what is this? Suppress. Let us try to do that suppress. Right. If you closely observe here, 1998, 1998, 1998 is available, right? Or else let us take the fresh report. Analysis, then supplier sales representative. I am taking one column region, then district, then dollars. We are trying to learn here, what is this? Suppress. Now let us say if I click on here result, I am seeing here central, but how many times it is displaying here? Only one. But what I want is central Gulf, central lower Midwest, central Midwest, central Texas, central upper Midwest. Like that I want it. Like that I want it. Okay. Can you tell me how I can do that? You can do that. Go to the criteria on the region column, column properties. There we have the column format. What is this? By default it is suppress. That means same value is available, it displays only once. But I want what? Repeat. Then if I select here repeat, then go for here, click on OK. Now click on results. We are able to see now it is repeated or not? It is repeated. That's what called as, what do you mean by suppress and repeat. With this, I am good with the second tab. The tab is called as column format tab. These are the three options what we have. What is this? Headings, suppress. Next is what? Hide. Next is available. What is this? Data format. Data format. For example, let us say I am trying to click on the result. Are you seeing any problems in this data? For example, I have here what is this? 814, 648 is available. There may be possibility of what you can say 0.30, 0.40, 0.50 like that money we are going to pay it or not? All these round figures are going to pay, or we are going to pay points also. Points also are going to pay, right? Points may be available here, but it is rounded automatically. It is automatically rounded. But I want accurate value. I want up to 2 digits. Up to 2 digits of the accuracy I want it after the point. How I can do that one? That is one point. Second point. Just I am seeing the number 814648. Top we are seeing the heading as dollars. I am not sure it is USA dollar or it is a Canada dollar or it is a what dollar. I want to write that information also. I want to write, let us say. Okay, how I can do this kind of changes. Right, or else one more thing is, let us say we have here any date. Date column is not there. Very good. If I have any date, let us say, let me take here some date. Date column is not there to experiment. That's what I am trying to take here, one date column. Let me take here date column as, let us say this column I am trying to take here. This column has to visible means what I have to do? We have to drag and drop here corresponding things. Then check in changes. Yes. Now close. Now it has to appear here means what I have to do? Reload server metadata. Now let us go and try to expand this time. Then we'll get that column. That column is available now. That column I am trying to drag and drop. Customer reason. You may be able to evaluate this query to remove the following reasons. No fact table adjusted the required level of detail. Oh, sorry. Sorry. You should guide me. You should not sit silently there.
No, I know that, but
You know that, then why you are not telling me you don't know that is equivalent to. Okay, anyhow, what is the problem we did is we taken from which table? Calendar table. We have to take from where? That corresponding alias we have to take it, right? We given the joins and everything in the alias only we given. That's what is showing the problem. It's clearly showing the error also. What is the error showing here? No fact table available. That means we don't have the join, right? That is the reason it's saying as no fact available. So let me drag and drop this column. This is I don't want it. I am removing it. Now checking changes. Yes. Now close. Now let us go to the reload server metadata. Then try to refresh it. Now we are able to see it. Now what data we are seeing here? If you observe here, 1/24/1998. That means what? January 24, 1998. I want like that. 24-Jan-1998. I want it. So there is one more data format or not? How I can do this kind of changes? Okay, let's start with first one thing. What is dollars column? I want here point after 2 digits. I want it. What I can do? Go to the criteria, then dollars, then go for column properties. What is this? Data format. Override default data format. I want this has to be currency, money. And what type of currency? I want here. You can go and you can provide here dollar symbol of whatever it is you want it. It is a Canada dollar or the United States dollar, whatever it is. You can provide it. And you want decimal place what? 2 digits. And if suppose any negative values are available in one particular day, we got some negative money, then I want to provide in the brackets as well as red color. I want to provide for that. So this is what the changes what I want to do it. Now click on here. Okay, now click on here results. Here why you got the red color and brackets? Because it is negative numbers. Because it is negative numbers. On this particular dates we got the negative. And we got accuracy of after 0.2 digits. We got it or not? We got the 2 digits of the accuracy. We got it. Okay, that's how we can go and we can change it. Now come to the date. Let us go to the date column. Then go to the column properties, data format. What format you want it? For example, this format you want it. Then I selected first what? DD, then what? MON, then YY. Then click on here OK. Then click on here results. Now we're able to see it properly or not? 02 January like that we are seeing it. 30 January we are seeing like that. Suppose whatever changes you did it now, if I go for other report, here if I am trying to take here one more report I am taking in another page. Okay, if I try to take here whatever column we have that is called as this column and result, you are going to get whatever formatting you did another report that you are going to get here or not getting. If I want that one, what I have to do? Question is clear or not clear? We did in one report. In this report I did it. The same formatting is not carrying forward into other report. If I want to carry it forward, what I have to do? Formatting you cannot do in the RPD. Formatting means like applying the some colors, some data format, this kind of things. We are doing the front end only. How you can do is, there is a option whenever you are trying to click on your OK, right? Data format. We are trying to click on your OK. Whenever we are trying to click on your OK, there is a what is the option? Save as default. There what is the option is going to help you out? Just guess it. Save as system wide default for this one. If I click on that one, now if you go here, for example, let us try to refresh it. What we got? That formatting is carried forward or not? Yes. So that is the difference between simply click on OK and save as system wide default. Save as system wide default. Now you don't like this one. Again you want to revert it. Then again previous whatever format is available, select that format. Again click on what? Save as default, so that previous format only are going to get it. So those are the two options what I am trying to talk about here. If you go for the data format, it is useful to convert one format of data into another format. Develop a report as shown below, and we observe this red color is what, dollar symbol is what, those things. And we know now note. What is the note? If the formatting is required for all existing reports and upcoming reports, then in data format tab click on save as system wide default. We are aware of that also. What is the next? Conditional format. Conditional format. That two words are available, right? One is what? Condition. Second is what? Format. Based on the condition, I want some format. Previously, year column, what we did, simply we put the red color. I don't want simply like that. 1998 means I want red. 1999 means I want green. If it is more than 2000K, I want red. If it is more than 3000K, I want green. Something like that. Or if its region is equal to central, then I want yellow. East, then I want blue. Based on the some condition, I am deciding what? Color. pH value less than 7. What is that? pH value less than 7. Then what is the meaning? Some color will be there, right? More than 7, some color, equal to 7, some color will be there. Acid, bases, neutral, we are going to identify based on that pH paper only, right? Okay, good. So similarly, I want here, based on the condition, I would like to do some formatting. Based on the condition, I would like to do some formatting. How I can do that? How I can do that? Right. So conditional format. So based on the based on the condition, we are going to do what? Some format. Let us go and try to do process. We are trying to develop a report with the columns year, region, type and dollars. Then applying the conditional format. See this window, then you will get more clarity. What exactly I am trying to do here? If dollars is less than what? 1000K. 1000K. Then what color? Red color. If dollars is between what? 1000K and 2000K, then I want yellow. Dollars is more than 2000K, then I want green color. Something like that I want it. Something like that I want it. So let us go and try to do that kind of activity. I am going for new, then analysis, then supplier sales representative. We want here year column. Let us go and try to take here year column. Then I am trying to take here region column. Then I am trying to take here product type column. Then we are going for dollars column. Then let me save this one. We are learning what we are learning. Conditional format we are learning. Now try to click on OK. Results. As of now, we didn't get any conditional format. We want to get it. For that, go to the criteria. I am clicking on the dollars column because on the dollars column I want the formatting. Go to the column, properties, conditional, format, add the condition, My condition is based on dollars column. Condition is less than 1000 K. K means 3 zeros again. 1, 2, 3. Then okay. Then what color you want to provide? I want to provide red color. Okay, okay. That means poor business. Let us go for one more condition. Dollars is between 1000 and 2000 K. Then okay. Then I want here color as, let us say, some other color, some light color I am giving. Okay. Now I am going for add condition. Dollars is greater than what is this? 2000 K. Then I want to provide here the color as green color. Okay. Now we provided all the conditions, whatever we required, we provided. We provide all the required conditions we provided. Then click on OK. Then click on results. Now we are seeing here this is less than 1000 K or not. That's what is the color we are seeing? Red color. Here we are seeing the light color because it is between 1000 K and 2000 K. Bottom somewhere you see some kind of green colors. This is because more than 2000 K. 2000 K. So that's what the meaning of conditional formatting. Conditional formatting. Next is available. What is this? Interaction and write back. These two things will be covered in later classes. In the specialist level, advanced level, we are going to cover it. As of now, we skip it. These are the two tabs. Whatever we have, the rest of the things we skip it here. What is this? Interaction and write back. Now, time being, we are moving on to the next option that is called as, what is this? Edit formula. Column properties, we are aware of it now. Next is what? Edit formula. We know calculations, right? Where you do calculations, in the physical layer or in the presentation layer? In BMM layer. That's right. In BMM layer, we are going to do it. So BMM layer, when you are going to do it, if it is a reusable and simple, we are going to do in the BMM layer. If it is only useful for one report only, then where you are going to do? In the front end, in the report directly we are going to do it. How to do that one, that we are going to learn it now. So the same report, whatever we have it, I am saving as, let us say we are learning a tax calculation. Tax calculation. Let us say I want here one more column called as tax column, I want it. So I am trying to take here a column that is dollars. And I want to change all the heading, internal formula, everything. How I can change it? Go here. There is an option called as edit formula. Here I need to select here custom headings. What is the name I want to provide? Tax. Then formula I want to change here. You don't know case when statement. That is the reason we can take what? Functions. There we have here. Which one we have to take here? Expressions. Then what is this? Case statement. We can read here if you want it. Then click on OK. Now case when, what is the request here? Condition. Case when, whatever we have the dollar amount, if the dollar amount is less than 1000 K, then I want here expression. What expression I want? Whatever dollars he has, in that one I want to collect into 0.1. Else I want to take, let us say, a simple example. I want to take, let us say, 0.2. Only two levels I am trying to take it. Only two levels I am trying to take it. Case when dollars is less than 1000 K, then 10%. 0.1 means what? 10%. More than sorry, it's not falling under that condition. Then I want to take what? 20%. Now I am trying to click on here OK. In the bottom we have the OK option. This is the OK. I think it is not visible. Okay, it is OK. I clicked on the OK button. Now click on the results. Now we are able to see the tax or not. 761506 into 0.1. How much? 76151 rounded value. Are you getting my point? Rounded value, you are going to get this. So it is calculating properly or not? It is calculating properly. That's what here, what you mean by edit formula. It is useful to create any report level calculations. It may be concatenation of the first name or last name. It may be tax calculation, or it may be anything. Okay, we have here a lot of functions are available. Using any of these functions, we can do the calculations we can do here. These many functions we have here, aggregate functions maybe, running totals, or string related functions, mathematical related. Okay, you can use anything and you can do it. Now second example in the calculations, we completed first example, that is what? Tax column. Second example in this calculations, let us say, see the second example. What is this? Filter function. Filter function. What I want is, see this report output once. See this report output. What is there? Year, region, district, dollars, backing dollars. What is the meaning of these dollars? What is the meaning of these dollars? We have these dollars, right? What is the meaning of these dollars? In this particular year, in the central, in the Gulf district, by selling all products, this much of amount we got it. But this is what? By selling only backing products, we got this much. Now, how I can do this kind of thing? Let us try to do that one. For example, I am going to the reporting side. Then let me save this one. Now let me develop a new report analysis. We are learning here filter. What we are learning? Filter function. Now we are trying to take here one column called as year column. So let me take here year column. Then I am trying to take here region column, district column, then dollars column. And I want one more time dollars column. But second dollars column I want what? Only backing related. Go to the edit formula. Then I am trying to rename this one as backing related dollars only I want it. Then bottom what is available? Insert the filter. Click on that. Then it's saying as filter the dollars using some filter expression. What filter expression you want it? What filter expression you want it? Item type is equal to backing. Now we can read this one. Filter dollars using filter expression. Filter expression is equal to what? Item type is equal to backing. Are you getting my point? So overall, it condition becomes what? Filter the dollars using the item type is equal to backing. Filter the dollars using item type is equal to backing. Now if you click on here OK, now click on the results, we got the data. 41532, this is 661587. If you see the backend SQL query, what will happen? How the query it is written? Can you write the query for this? This report equivalent SQL query, can you write it? Yeah, write it then. Let us go to the database. SQL developer. Then we will try to write the query equivalent to that. Tell me. Select what column I want. Year column I want. Next what? Region column I want. Next what? District column I want. Next what? Dollars is nothing but what column it is? ACTL, EXT, ND column. Okay, we'll try to do the next. That calculation we'll do later. Time being, we want up to here. You want, let us say, sum of, right? Main calculation, whatever we have the filter, we'll do later. Now from what are the tables you have to collect these things? D1 underscore calendar, 2 table. Next what? D1 underscore customer, 2 table. Next what? D1 underscore orders, 2 table. Next what is the where class? Where where let us give the name of this one as calendar, right? Let us say CAL I am giving. It is a customer, right? Alias name I am giving as CUST. It is order table, right? Let us say I am giving ORT, order something I given. Now in the calendar table whatever available dot y dd is equal to, in the order table whatever we have dot period key, right? Period underscore key and normal key. Period key normal only. Okay. Now and next is what? CUST customer dot what is that? New key. CUST customer new key is equal to order dot cust key. So cust key is available here. We are trying to take that one. Now we have to write here. Next is what? Group by. What are the columns? Here region, district columns. Then we are trying to execute it. We got the answer. This is what the answer we got it. Okay. Now next is what? I want to introduce one more table also. The table is called as D1 underscore what? Products, because products also I have to involve or not. This one give the name as prod. Then one more join condition will be increases here and what is this one? Prod table dot prod key, prod table dot product key is equal to order table dot product key. Okay. Now if you go and if you try to run it, that also will be coming properly. Now what you have to do here? This is total dollars, right? This is what? Total dollars. Total dollars. Now I want what next one? Only backing corresponding dollars I want. Now tell me the logic. That's what I am looking for. Subquery. Can I handle using case when statement? Case when statement, can I use it? Can I handle it? Let us try it. Case when, and one more problem here. In our products table, I don't have the item type. I have to include one more table, product type table also I have to include it. Or else we know backing we are trying to do, right? Backing code I know it, 100 that is. I'll use the 100 code. Okay. So where case when type, what is the table name? Product dot type underscore code or code, sir? I think type code. Okay, product type code is equal to 100. Then I am saying as ACTL EXTND. Case when product type code is equal to 100, then ACTL EXTND. Then we are writing here what? And whatever we have for this, overall I am trying to put here, sum also I am trying to put it. Okay, now go and try to run this one. We got the data. So this kind of SQL query only, it might be created here. If you want, you can verify it. I am going for administration, then I am going to the manage sessions, then our report corresponding log we can observe here, view log. There what it is created here. Here I don't want to involve the product type table. That is the reason I written here equal to 100 I written. Are you getting my point? Because item type is available only where? Product type. If I involve product type, actually product subtype also I have to involve because there is no direct join. But directly I given what? 100 I given here. I know backend corresponding code is 100. So overall, filter function backend, what it is doing? Filter function, whatever you are doing here, backend, what it is doing? Case when statement. What it is doing? Case when statement. In the select clause it is coming. Case when statement in the select clause it is coming. Okay, that's what I am trying to explain in this first point. If you see the first point, what I written, used to add SQL filter function to a column formula. Inside the column only we have the formula or not? Case when statement we have it where inside the column only. Next is what? It is equal to case when statement inside the select statement of the column. That's what I written these 2 points. That's what the meaning. Now, yes, we development already we are aware of it. We take in the columns, we implemented the formula. Next, one more thing is pending that is called as, what is this? Bins. What do you mean by bins? For example, now let us go to the report. Let us go to the report. I want here previous report we did one thing that is called as conditional format report. We did it. What happened to this condition? Okay, let's take tax calculations. Okay. Now if you go and try to observe this report, wherever I have the red color, what is the meaning? Poor business. Wherever we have the light green, average business. Then we have the green color, that is what? Good business. Like that I want the flags. Like that I want the flags. That can be achievable very easily by taking help of the bins. For this I am taking here one more dollars column, I am taking it. And again this dollars column formula and everything I will try to change it. Click on edit formula. I am trying to put here the flag. For what flag it is? It is a poor business or average business or good business. That's what the flag I am trying to create it. This flag purpose also I can write here manually. Case when dollars is less than 1000k, then it is poor business. Else between 1000k and 2000k, then it is average business. Else, like that I can write it or not? Yes. But more than that one, easily we can do it by taking help of bins. If I click on the bins, it is allowing you to create here one add bin. I am trying to add the bin. It is asking me formula is less than how much? 1000k. Then what I want? Poor business I want to write here, right? So poor business. Now okay. Next I want to go for one more add bin. Then is between what and what? 1000k and what? 2000k. Then I want what? Average business. Average business. For all remaining values, for all other values, I want to keep here one bin, that is what? Good business. It is nothing but else statement. It is case when else. Now click on here, OK in the bottom. The OK button is not appearing. In the bottom we have, sir, I clicked on it. Okay, click on the results. Now we are seeing what? Poor business. Next what? Average business. Next what? This one. If I go and try to save it, if you see the backend SQL query, administration, then manage sessions, then go and try to see your report corresponding view log. This is the one. Tax calculation report only we ran right? View log. There you can observe here what it is trying to write here. The flagging purpose. The flagging purpose, what it is writing? Case when statement, it is writing it. So three things we did it related to the case when. One is what we did, bins, filter function, bins and filter function. These two are working based on what? Case when statement only. Conditional format also backend it is using what? When this condition, this format. When this condition, this format. So this is what exactly what I want to cover in edit formula. With this I completed edit formula, and next class we are going to work with what? Filters. We completed hands-on 10 we completed. So what we learned in hands-on 10? Style format, style tab, column format tab. In the column format tab, hiding the column, changing the titles of the column, suppress the column. Next we went for data format, changing the dates or changing the numbers, those things. Then we went for conditional format. Based on the condition we provide some formatting. Then we went for what? Bins. Then we went for what? Filter function. This is what we learned it. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll go for filters. Bye bye.